Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Cash App on TikTok Shop. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Tap the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the image of your Cash App card to view your card details. You will see your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Keep this information ready because you'll need it in the next step. Now, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap Orders to access your shopping settings. Next, tap the Settings gear in the top right corner and select Payment Methods. Choose Add a payment method, then select Credit or Debit Card. Carefully enter your Cash App card number, expiration date, CVV, and any other required information. Before saving, check that all the details are correct to avoid payment errors. Once your Cash App card has been added successfully, it will appear as one of your available payment methods. The next time you purchase an item from TikTok Shop, simply select your Cash App card during checkout. Thanks for watching.